Chuggy the train goes choo-choo bright, puffing along in the morning light. Up ahead a rainbow ridge, made of balloons, a floating bridge. Red ones bounce and blue ones glide, green ones sway from side to side. Purple, pink, and golden too. Chuggy sings, all aboard, woohoo! The bridge goes high above the trees, drifting gently with the breeze. Chuggy chugs with steady cheer, hold on tight, the fun is near. Balloons go pop, but none fall down. They giggle and dance all over town. Each one hums a merry tune, glowing softly like the moon. Children wave from fields below, watching the balloon bridge glow. Chuggy toots a song so sweet, clickety-clack with bouncy beat. When the ride is almost done, stars come out, the sky has spun. Chuggy dreams on clouds so wide, balloon bridge waiting for the ride. Dizzy dolphins leapt so high, splashing bubbles to the sky. Round and round they spun with cheer, echoes rang both far and near. Waves were clapped in joyful time, seagulls sang a seaside rhyme. Crabs were tapped with tiny feet, drumming out a bubbly beat. Coral glowed in colors grand, shells made music on the sand. Octopus with wobbly sway joined the dolphins in the bay. Bubbles pop with shiny gleam, carry laughter like a dream. Every spin and every dive made the ocean come alive. Children watch from boats nearby, clapping hands beneath the sky, cheering dolphins swift and free, dancing in the foamy sea. When the moon began to glow, ocean whispered soft and slow, dream of dolphins at their play, spinning joy in Bubble Bay.
On a river sweet and wide, floated fruit in gentle tide. Banana boat with golden sails, glided soft through dreamy trails. Giggle grapes came bouncing near, rolling laughter crystal clear. Tumbled in a jolly heap, waking stars from twinkling sleep. Every grape would sing a song, banana boat would hum along. Ripples clapped in steady time, water danced in joyful rhyme. Moonlight sprinkled silver beams, painting waves with candy dreams. While the grapes in chorus sweet kicked their toes and tapped their feet. Banana boats sway side to side, carrying giggles far and wide. Through the night they sang away, turning dark to bright ballet. When the dawn began to peep, grapes curled close in cozy sleep. Banana whispered soft and low, dream of laughter as we go. song. Banana boat would hum along. Ripples clapped in steady time. Water danced in joyful rhyme. Moonlight sprinkled silver beams, painting waves with candy dreams. While the grapes in chorus sweet kicked their toes and tapped their feet. Banana boats sway side to side, carrying giggles far and wide. Through the night they sang away, turning dark to bright ballet. When the dawn began to peep, grapes curled close in cozy sleep. Banana whispered soft and low, dream of laughter as we go.
Baby Banana laughed with cheer, shapes of orange drawing near. Circles rolled with gentle glide, triangles danced side by side. Squares are marching neat in rows, rectangles with stretching toes. Stars above began to play, shining bright to light the way. Diamonds twinkled sharp and small, ovals bounced just like a ball. Hearts came skipping pink and sweet, tapping out a bouncy beat. Bella clapped and called them near, shapes of friends so bright and clear. Everyone has songs to sing, learning joy in everything. Animals joined both far and wide, sleepers marched with shapes in stride. Elephants with trunks so long carried circles in their song. When the night began to glow, shapes lined up in gentle row. Bella waved and sang goodbye, see you 'neath tomorrow's sky.